Hello, I am Andrew, and today I am going to talk to you about language education in the UK. So, watch and listen. Let's go. Right now, the time is 12:30 in the afternoon. 12:30 or 12:30 p.m. And today is Tuesday. Outside, the weather is really bad. It is windy and it is also raining heavily. So, today I am going to talk about language education in the UK. Education within the UK is split into 4 stages. The first stage is preschool. Preschool. Pre means before. Children, small children, go to preschool when they are between 2 and 4 years of age. So they start preschool at 2 and finish at 4. The next stage is primary school. Primary school. Primary means first. Children, now a little bit bigger than these children, go to primary school at either 4 or 5. 4, some 4, others 5. And they spend 7 years. 7 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. They spend 7 years at primary school, from about 4 until about 12 years of age. The third stage is high school or secondary school. The third stage is secondary school. Secondary means second school. First, second. Children, again, bigger than before, go to secondary school at either 11 or 12, and they spend between 4 and 6 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can leave school after 4 or stay at school for 6 years. So, teenagers are at secondary school from about 12 until about 18 years of age. Some leave earlier at 16, some leave at 17, some leave at 18. And the final stage is university. Only some people go to university. Others do not go to university. But university normally lasts 4 or 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes 4, sometimes 5. 4 or 5 years. And adults, like me, adults, go to university from 17 years and up. 17 and up. Okay, so when does language education start in the UK? I started, start, end. I started to learn French when I was in my fifth year of primary school. At primary school, from 5th year onwards, 5th, 6th and 7th, I studied French for about 2 hours. 2 hours every week. On a Tuesday and a Thursday, I think, for 1 hour. 1 hour on each day, for a total of 2 hours every week. And this continued for 5th, 6th and 7th years of my time at primary school. When I went to secondary school, I continued to study and learn French in 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th years. Again, about 2 hours every week. I think on Tuesdays and Thursdays also, but I can't remember. No. But 2 hours every week, yes. And every child, 100% of the students had to study and learn French for 2 hours every week. It was not an option not to study French, no. After 4th year, some, maybe 25% of people left school, but the other 75% stayed at secondary school for 5th and sometimes also 6th years. And of this 75%, we had the option to study French or not study French. I decided to not study French. I did not like to study French at school. No. Also, at this stage, so from 5th year onwards, we had the option to start studying German. So you could study French, you could study German, you could study neither French or German, or some people, maybe 5% of people that really liked languages could study both French and German. But I did neither. I didn't study French. I stopped studying French and did not start studying German because I preferred maths maths. Yeah. In 6th year, we had the option, we could, if we wanted to, start learning Spanish, but not at our school. No. If you wanted to learn Spanish, you had to take a taxi to another school, not our school. No. A taxi to another school. I, again, did not do this. No. I was not interested in Spanish. No. After secondary school, some people, again, maybe 10% of the people that went to university, some decided to study languages at university. In the UK, it is popular to study Spanish, German, French, Spanish, German, French, and I think Italian at university. And also Chinese. Now, Chinese has started to become more popular. It is also popular to study Latin. Latin. The Romans spoke Latin. The Romans spoke Latin a long time ago. And also ancient Greek. We call ancient Greek and Latin classics. I became interested in languages much later, when I was in 5th year of my time at university. I went to Spain, and in Spain I started to learn Spanish, and I really enjoyed it this time. Before, no, it put me to sleep when I was at school, but later in university I really liked learning Spanish, and still now I continue to learn Spanish, and I really enjoy this. So this is all for language education in the UK. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.